A meteorite fell next to a lighthouse, causing all creatures there to mutate. Human-like plants grew in the grass. To deal with the same shape and synchronized movements appeared in the woods, with beautiful plum blossoms sprouting from their antlers. The lighthouse was surrounded by a strange light called Shimmer, and the shimmer was spreading continuously. It would extend to the surrounding areas throughout the city until swallowing the world. The government sent soldiers into the shimmer to find out what's going on, but all people, animals, and drones that entered never returned. A biologist, Lena's husband, Kane, was one of those sent there on a special mission. People thought he was dead. One day, Kane surprisingly appeared before his wife. Lena cried with tears of joy and hugged him, but when asked where he'd been and what he'd done, he just answered, "I don't know." When he drank water, blood appeared in it. Lena rushed to call an ambulance. Lena joined an expedition team to explore the mystery of the shimmer. Once inside the shimmer, all communication devices were unable to send or receive signals. Even a compass could not work. They found a memory card in an abandoned military base. The video showed that Kane took a knife and stabbed a soldier in the stomach. His intestines inside were actually moving like snakes. Then they went to a pool, finding that the man who had been stabbed in the stomach had grown into the wall. Ray and mold and strange plants grew around his stomach. That night, Shepard was dragged out by a black bear. Lena fired several shots in the dark, but failed to save her. At daytime, they found human-like plants. Josie thought it's because the shimmer refracted DNAs of all plants, animals, and humans and recombined them. At night, they heard a bear's cry. Again, then the bear uttered a cry for help with the voice of Shepard and walked into the room. Anya was bitten to death by the bear. The next day, Josie saw plant leaves growing out of her arms. She also became a human-like plant. Arriving at the lighthouse, Lena turned on a camera. It's just her husband who was on the screen. Kane said his flesh was disintegrating and his mind was out of control. Then he set himself on fire. Suddenly, another man, exactly like him, appeared on the screen. Lena crawled into a cave. Her teammate Ventress was inside it. She said something unknown was growing inside her. Then she breathed out a blast of fire. Her body disintegrated into pieces and then grew into nebulous clusters. A drop of Lena's blood was sucked in. Her DNA was rapidly copied. A humanoid body came out. Lena was terrified and ran away. When she was outside of the cave, the humanoid body reappeared in front of her. Lena tried to open the door to escape, but was stopped by the humanoid. She mimicked Lena's every move. Lena put a phosphorus bomb into the humanoid's hand. Surprisingly, her body and appearance became exactly like Lena's. She gently caressed Kane's dead body and went into the cave, burning the entire lighthouse to ashes. But who was the one who ran out?